a car accident? See a doctor ASAP. It is vital that you get medical treatment after you've been involved in a car accident, for both health and legal reasons. If you have been involved in a car accident, you should get yourself checked out. No matter how minor your injuries may seem, head to the emergency room. Some people don't think that they've been injured in an accident, but they just don't feel quite right. In cases such as these, it's important that you get yourself checked out in case you have internal injuries. If you cannot go to the emergency room for whatever reason, you should see your doctor ASAP. Why you should get treatment? It's fairly obvious why you should get medical treatment after you've been involved in a car accident. Our bodies were not made to cope with the impact or force that comes with a car accident. This means that even in the slowest of collisions where the car sustained very little damage, it is still worth seeing someone. If you were involved in a side impact, you may hit your head on a window or a door frame, without even realizing. If you were involved in a rear impact, your head and neck can be injured. If you received any sort of trauma or blow to your head, your upper spine can be injured, and this can potentially be quite serious. When it comes down to it, if you do not feel quite right after being involved in a car accident, you will need to get checked out. When the body hides pain. Not everyone is aware that their body has the ability to hide pain. When you're involved in a car accident, your body will react by sending adrenaline coursing through your veins. In cases such as these, pain isn't felt until hours or even days after the incident has taken place. This is why it is crucial that you get checked out as soon as you can, just in case your body is hiding the pain. Car accidents and injuries. The spinal column is the area of the body that is typically affected by a car accident. The spinal column consists of the head, neck, and surrounding muscles. Some of the most common car accident-related injuries involve whiplash and overextension injuries. Others include sprains, strains, and injuries to the discs in your back. This is why it is so important for you to visit the emergency room or a doctor as soon as you can. Make sure you tell them about any numbness or stiffness in your upper back or neck. You should also let them know if you have any pain and discomfort, or if your range of motion has been affected. The legal reasons why you should get checked out. Not only should you get checked out for medical reasons, but you should also get checked out for legal reasons too. Let's imagine you've been involved in a car accident and another driver was at fault. If you fail to get checked out in the emergency room or by your doctor, the at-fault driver's insurance company may assume that you were not hurt in the accident. Every insurance company needs to evaluate every single car accident. One of the criteria that the insurance companies need to go through when assessing the accident is whether you received medical treatment and how quickly the treatment was received after the accident. The more time there is between your accident and when you first seek treatment is a real indication as to how serious your injuries were. Please note that an insurance company may also be looking to see if you were exaggerating or faking your injuries so you can claim more on the insurance. Most insurance companies know that if you go to the emergency room as soon as possible, it is unlikely that your injuries were caused by another event. In other words, if you were involved in a car accident on a Monday but you did not get treatment until the Friday, it's possible that you could have injured yourself elsewhere, such as during a football game. If you take more than 48 hours to receive medical treatment, you will need to prove that you weren't injured elsewhere, and this may be impossible to do. If your case is taken to court, you will need to show that you sought medical treatment as soon as you possibly could. Get checked out, even if you are not sure you've been injured. If you have sustained an injury due to being involved in a car accident that was another driver's fault, please speak to a personal injury lawyer because you may have a personal injury claim.